There are people who make a lot of money by creating these simple AI videos that they post on TikTok, because the new TikTok creative program beta pays $1 per 1,000 views. Watch this video. At the time of recording this video has 1.9 million views. This means that the person who owns this account has earned over $1,900 from a single video. And if we look at one of these videos, it's just one of these simple ChatGPT stories that only take 10 minutes to generate. Now I'm not just showing you how to access the TikTok creativity program beta from anywhere in the world. I will also show you how to make a TikTok like this from start to finish, except our videos will be better, because I know some important things about how to make viral videos on TikTok. On top of that, in this video, we will have a guest who will help us and give us tips too. Andrew Paul, an acquaintance of mine. Thank you for accepting. Andrew Paul, tell them what is the first thing to do.
Hello everyone, thanks for inviting me, Tropy. Well, I know that many of your viewers do not live in the countries eligible for the TikTok creativity program, so we have to tell them how to solve this problem.
Yes, it is true. There are several methods to solve this problem, but I will show you the best and safest one. This method consists of the fact that we have to get a TikTok US account from the site that I put in the description. Here is the proof that the accounts work. As you can see, as the TikTok creativity program beta is available. Did I miss something, Andrew Paul?
No. Now we need to teach the people who watch this video what makes a video go viral. And luckily I know a few secrets that I think I'm going to share in this video.
Thanks, bro. I hope viewers will appreciate this and leave a like on this video.
I hope for that too.
Here are some tips that you can implement in your videos to increase the chances of your video going viral. I mentioned that these tips only work for short videos and especially for TikTok. First tip, try to make mistakes on purpose or say really weird things. When people watch your video, they will rewatch your video, and that will increase your AVD, that is, the average duration of views, or they will comment. Tip number 2, provide a call to action at the end of the video, such as follow for the second part. It has been proven that this works and people do what you tell them to do. And the last tip, the third one, is that you have to focus a lot of time on the hook. It has been proven that the first 3 seconds determine whether people stay or scroll. Did I miss something, Andrew Paul?
It's a something trophy. I know many of your viewers don't know how many videos they have to post in a day. In my experience, the optimal amount is 2 to 3 videos per day, with 3 to 4 hours between each post. Now, Tropy, let's move on to creating videos.
Of course. The niche I'm showing you today is fairly new, but it's already getting a lot of views, which means there are thousands of dollars to be made from it. This niche is where you tell ChatGPT to create different images. As you can see, this text also appears here with the condition of how the image looks, and after the image generated by ChatGPT. And I'm telling you, it's extremely easy to make these videos. Now, let's follow the steps that Andrew Paul prepared for us to generate a video like this.
In the first step, we will use AI to generate all the images needed for the video. The convenient part is that when you generate the images at the same time, you are also doing the script, which is an extremely good thing because it helps us save a lot of time.
Correct. I won't use regular ChatGPT because you need ChatGPT Plus to be able to generate images, but that costs money. But I found this chat that works exactly like the ChatGPT, but here you can generate images for free. The link is in the description. Make sure you think of a funny idea that you will use for the video. For this, you can look for the TikTok account that I showed you at the beginning and see what topics he chooses. I will do something like this, a child kicking the seat in front of him on an airplane, and here is the picture. Now I have to take this idea further and generate another image, and so on. Try to incorporate a funny twist, and don't forget the call to action at the end of the video. After you have done all this, you must take a screenshot of all the conditions and all the images that you will show in the video. Now you have collected all the images for the video and made the script. What's next?
Now it's time to create the voiceovers, because if you remember, in the video ChatGPT has a voice, and we have to do the same.
Right, and Ripple. For this one, I will use 11 labs for voiceovers. The link is in the description. Now, from here, choose the voice that you think is suitable for your log. After that, all you have to do is go back to ChatGPT, copy the first text, and paste it here. Then click on Generate, and download this voice on the device. And you have to do the same with all the conditions. It's a very easy process. Now that you have the voices ready, we need a background for our video. As you see, this creator uses some Minecraft gameplay for the background, and we will do the same. For this, we go to YouTube, and in the search box, we write like this, Gameplay Minecraft, no copyright. We choose a video from here, and now we need to record about a minute of this video. That's it for this part. What's next, Andrew Paul?
We have reached the final part where we have to put all the materials together to make such a video maybe even better. And for this, we need editing software. CapCut is perfect for this. CapCut is a free editing software that we will be using.
It's true, CapCut is one of the best free video editing software, so we're going to access CapCut, and yes, I'm going to do this on a phone because I know most will do the same, and to make it easier for you to orient yourself. Here, we click on the new project, and you have to select the gameplay video from YouTube. Good. Here, the first step is to click on aspect ratio and select TikTok, after arranging the video to look good. Now we have to add the first voice. For this, we click on audio after this map and then on device. And here in this search bar, you must write the name of the first voice. After simple, you add it. The next step is to add screenshots with the first phrase. For this, we click on the overlay, add an overlay, and from here, you look for that screenshot, click on it, and add it. After when the voice starts, the screenshot must also appear. When the voice ends, you must put the image that is generated with the help of the conditions that is from the screenshot. For this, click on overlay, add an overlay, and add that image. And in this way, you have to do with all the material. This is my result so far.
Generate an image of a little kid mildly kicking the seat in front of him on an airplane. The kid is sitting down in his own seat. He starts kicking it a little harder. The kid continues kicking the seat.
It's not good because it has no background music and no sound effects. To add background music, click on audio, and here in the search box, we write Lacrimosa, and we added this song that I think is perfect. Now, to add sound effects, again we click on audio and then on sound effects, and from here, you can add whatever you want. Now let's look at my final result.
Generate an image of a little kid mildly kicking the seat in front of him on an airplane. The kid is sitting down in his own seat. He starts kicking it a little harder. The kid continues kicking the seat, and the man sitting in the seat in front of him is getting a little bit annoyed. The kid continues kicking, and the man is getting more annoyed. He's getting slightly angry. The man is so angry, he opens the emergency exit, causing the plane's passengers to experience immense pressure.
Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot create an image of that scenario. Is there another scene or concept you'd like to see visualized?
As you observed, it has a call to action. What do you think, Paul? It was received quite well, wasn't it?
Tropy, very well done. I hope that people who view this have followed all the steps, and I hope that they will not lose this opportunity to make an income online. Know that it was a great pleasure for me to be here with you present. And yes, support my friend Tropy with a like and subscription to this YouTube channel, because Tropy told me what plans he has with this channel, and I assure you that you will not regret being with him from the beginning.
Thank you, Paul, for accepting. With you was me, Shadow Tropy, and my friend Paul, and see you next Sunday.